One, two, three, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss MSTY, which is a call ETF on MSTR related to Bitcoin. And MSTY has fallen from highs of 46 to now in the now is about $9 today. So what is happening here? And we're going to dive into it and look into the pros and cons and what can be done. MSTR is also falling rapidly in a fashion that is in a downward channel. So let's dive into it right now. So here is the chart of MSTY, and it looks like a perfect short to me from 15 to 9 straight. There is no telling in a 1 hourly chart. All the moving averages are down, and it's in a left to right classical downward motion as a short. And I believe we're now at trading at during the trading hours at $9 even. And let's take a look at the daily chart here. This is what is happening here from May up to now. It has fallen straight forward towards, and it made a low here 8.8, and now at trading at $9 8.99, so which is even 1 cent since I spoke down, and it's into teens. What it has done here is MSTY has also trailed down its dividends. They were at $2.34 back in May 8th, and now it is gradually dropping, and now it has already formed into what you call a weekly ETF. Let's look at the 1 hourly chart, and you see 61 cents, and then 21 cents, 19 cents, and 17 cents. So they have stopped the spigot as well on the money, because there is money cannot be made. These are call ETFs based on MSTR, which is not doing so well. Let's take a look at the chart of MSTR here directly. This is MSTR from 365 to 219, and now today 221 during trading hours. This is also a classical short. All the moving averages are down, 200-day, 50-day, and whatnot. And even the short term, which is like a 9-day, 9-day ETF, MA. This is a classic here. The red line crossed the yellow line, which is a 50-day cross, the 200-day. This was a death cross sometime back on a few. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Yeah, it was here at this time that it crossed, which was on October 20th. So this is the downward channel. It has been moving down. Technically, it violated its support here, which is at 238, and has gone below that. It has also come out of that channel. Had it been in the channel, it would have bounced back here. So unless it recovers and bounces back to 297, there's not much hope that it will recover in time. And it's a free fall. Let's take a look at BTC, which is a Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is down about 1,475 at 101. But the Bitcoin is still in its uptrend. This is a long-term trend line, and it's making a falling wedge-like pattern, which is a bullish pattern. So you have to take into consideration this is a bullish pattern in a downward motion that will resolve most likely 85% of the time. It will resolve towards the upside. And if we're going to look at it here, let's take a look at 1 hourly chart. And this is the falling wedge. It has, and it is bouncing off that long-term trend line. Let's go into the weekly chart, and that's where the weekly thing is. This is a trend line that I was showing you. It has made these lows before. It has made a high of 126 on September 22nd, and then dropped down here, but it hit that 50-day moving average on a weekly basis and is still holding really well. So if there is a hope here, if there is a story here to be written, it is that this Bitcoin is going to bounce back. What happens if the Bitcoin bounces back? Now, that's the key here. If Bitcoin bounces back from here in this area, which is about 99,000 or so, and it does not break this long-term trend line, then you have a recovery here definitely, because a falling wedge will result into a bullish trend 85% of the time. Those are just the statistics. So MSTR, which is tied to Bitcoin, not exact valuation and dollar for dollar or relates to it. It has a different valuation now. It has acquired more Bitcoins as well. So it is different. This 221 will definitely will snap back. The RSI is very low. It's 25. It's oversold, beaten down too much, and this could really rear up here up to 242. If that happens, I'm sure MSTY, which is a call ETF, has a survival instinct and may survive and come back here at 10. Unless MSTY comes back to 10, we should not put any more into it. I am also into this trade. I will hold it, and let's see how this happens in the next few weeks, next couple of weeks. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that button, and I'll answer your questions. If you have any, put it down in the comment section.